Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to set up monthly payments on Expedia. This is a great option if you want to spread out the cost of your travel over time instead of paying everything up front. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as this ensures all your preferences and payment options are properly saved. Now, choose your preferred travel option. Expedia offers several categories like stays, flights, cars, packages, or cruises. For this tutorial, let's say you're booking a hotel, so click on Stays. This will take you to the search page where you can start customizing your trip. Next, navigate to the Where to field and type in your destination area. This could be a city, region, or even a specific hotel name if you already have something in mind. Once you've entered your destination, look right beside it and click on Dates. Here you'll select your check-in date and your check-out date. Make sure these dates match your actual travel plans to avoid any booking issues. If you need to adjust the number of travelers, click on the Travelers button. You'll see options to modify the number of adults and children by using the minus and plus icons. Adjust these numbers to match your group size, then click Search to see available options. Expedia will now display a list of hotels that match your criteria. Browse through the results and click on the hotel that suits your needs and budget. Take your time here to compare prices, amenities, and guest reviews to make an informed decision. Once you've selected a hotel, scroll down to the Rooms section. Hover your mouse over the room type you want, then click Reserve. When prompted with payment options, this is where things get important. Select Pay Now instead of Pay Later. Choosing Pay Now is crucial because the installment or monthly payment options, like Affirm, are typically only available when the booking is charged immediately. If you select Pay Later, you won't see the option to split your payment into monthly installments. Now you'll be taken to the checkout page. Enter your first name, last name, and phone number in the appropriate fields. These details are necessary for Expedia to confirm your reservation and send you booking updates. Navigate down to the Payment Method or Payment Details section. Here's where the monthly payment option comes in. Click on Affirm. Keep in mind that Expedia's payment options can vary depending on several factors, including your location, the type of booking you're making, and the payment partners available in your region. Not everyone will see the same options. It's also important to note that your country or region plays a significant role in whether Affirm monthly payments appear on Expedia. Affirm is primarily available for customers in the United States. If your Expedia account, billing address, or booking location is outside the US, you may not see Affirm as an option at all. In that case, check if Expedia offers alternative installment payment providers for your region. Finally, scroll down and click Checkout with Affirm. This will redirect you to Affirm's platform where you can complete the installment setup, review your payment plan, and finalize your booking. Affirm will show you the monthly payment breakdown, interest rates if applicable, and the total amount you'll pay over time. And that's it. You've successfully set up monthly payments on Expedia using Affirm, making it easier to manage your travel budget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.